Since January 11, 2023, our system ranks SQQQ as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.667. In this period the stock has had a loss of -22.31%. This is an average return of -1.01% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, SQQQ ETF price up 2.05% on Friday. The SQQQ ETF price gained 2.05% on the last trading day, Friday, February 10, 2023, rising from $36.13 to $36.87. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.28% from a day low at $36.21 to a day high of $37.76. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still down by -5.1% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 159 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.86 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $69.55, and the lowest price was $31.17. Right now the price is 46.99%, or $32.68, below 52-week high, and 95.44%, or $771.60, below all-time high March 12, 2020, where the price hit $808.47. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -11.97% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -22.92% and 29.95%. The 12-month trend indicates a 6.53% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -4.33% and 98.95%. This equals a price between $35.27 and $73.35 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SQQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has risen 11.69%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The SQQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $45.53. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $34.97. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.67 and $33.38. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SQQQ finds support just below today's level at $34.67. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.38 and $33.01. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $1.55 between high and low, or 4.28%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 6.39%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $43.34. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $34.67, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? SQQQ holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 13th, we expect SQQQ to open up $0.0767 and start trading at $36.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember